Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the binary subtraction using 2's complement method. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic binary subtraction using 2's complement method. In a 2's complement subtraction, negative number is represented in 2's complement form and then actual addition is performed to get the desired result. So, this complement method is mainly used in the subtraction. During the subtraction, the second number is converted into 2's complemented form. Then the 2's complemented form is added with the first number. So, that is the main advantage of this complement method. The first number added with the complement of second number. Now, we will see what is the procedure for that. A minus B is performed using the following step. We need to perform the A minus B. A is the first number, B is the second number. A minus B. B is subtracted from A. So, what is the procedure for that? First we take the 2's complement of B, that is 2's complement of the second number. We need to take the 2's complement. How to get the 2's complement? Take 1's complement. 1's complement means convert zeros into 1, 1's into zeros. Then add 1 in that 1's complement, we will get the 2's complement, right. So we are taking the 2's complement of the second number. Then what we need to do, this 2's complement of second number is added with the first number in order to get the result, right. A plus 2's complement of B. Our aim is to find A minus B, but what we are doing, A plus 2's complement of B, right. If the carry depends upon the carry, there are two stages available. If the carry is generated, then the result is positive and in the true form. In this case, carry is ignored. We can neglect the carry. So, if the carry is generated, the answer is negative and also in the true form, we can neglect the carry. If the carry is not generated, the answer is negative and also in the 2's complemented form. Again, we need to take the 2's complement, then only we can get the original value, right. So, carry is generated, answer is positive and true form, we can neglect the carry. Carry is not generated, answer is negative, it is in the 2's complemented form, right. Now, we will see the example so that we are able to understand easily. Perform 28 minus 15 using 6-bit 2's complement representation. We need to perform, these two are decimal numbers, 28 minus 15. This would be converted into binary and using 2's complement method we need to perform this expression, right. 28 minus 15 using 6 bits, we need to use 6 digits, right. So, this 28 minus 15, by seeing this value, is first number is greater, second number is lesser. So, we can able to understand the answer is positive and also it is 13. 28 minus 15 is 13. So, we need to get the answer is 13 and in the positive value. We will check whether we are getting, during this process we will verify that, right. So, the 28, the decimal number 28, the binary equivalent is 0 11 100 0. Similarly, the 15, the decimal number 15, the binary equivalent is 00 11 11. So, we need to convert this. The same problem available in the 1's complement method, in that the conversion is given, right. It is a simple process only. The decimal number is converted in the binary, decimal number is converted into binary number, right. So, the first number, this is the second number. What is the first process? We need to take the 2's complement of the second number, right. So, first we will take the 1's complement. So, what is the process? 2's complement of second number is added with the first number. Before getting 2's complement, first we will get the 1's complement. What is 1's complement? Convert these zeros into 1's and 1's into zeros. See, this 0 0 is converted to 1 1. These 4 1's are converted into zeros. So, this is the 1's complement of decimal number 15, 11 00 00. How to get the 2's complement? We need to add 1. With this, by adding 1, we will get the 2's complement. So, 0 plus 1 is 1, other 3 zeros and 2 1's are available. So, 11 00 01. This is the 2's complement of the second number 15. Now, what we need to do, this 2's complement of the second number should be added with the first number, that is the process. Now, we will see the addition of this first number and 2's complement of the second number. So this is the first number 28, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. The 2's complement of 15 just now we calculated double 1, triple 0, 1, right. So this is the first number, this is the 2's complement of the second number. Well, now we need to add these two values. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is sum equal to 0 and carry will be 1. Again 1 plus 1 is sum equal to 0 and carry will be 1. Now the carry is generated, right. I will explain again. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is sum equal to 0, carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is sum equal to 0, carry is 1. So our carry is generated. What is the meaning for that? Carry is generated means answer is positive and also in the original form. We can neglect the carry, no need to add the carry, right. So that 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 is the final value. So this is nothing but 13, binary number 13. So we discussed that 28 minus 15 is 13 plus 13. So we got this 13 value as we got this 13 and also we got positive. The carry is generated, so the answer is positive, right. Now the same problem will go with the exchanging the numbers. Now perform 15 minus 28 using 2's complement, right. So the first number is now 15, second number is 28. So from this we can easily understand the answer will be minus 13. Previously we got positive value, now we need to get negative value minus 1, 3. We will see that we are getting the value during this process. So the first number 15, now the 15 is the first number, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. 28 is the second number, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is second number. Now how to do this? The first number is added with 2's complement of the second number. So first we will take the first complement, 1's complement of this second number. What is 1's complement? The 0 is converted into 1, 1's are converted into zeros. How to get the 2's complement? Add 1 with this, so that we will get the 2's complement, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, right. So it is given directly. So we need to add 1 with this, right. 1 plus 1 is 0, the carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1, that 1 is written here. Remaining 0, 0, 1, right. So what we got? 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the 2's complement of the second number. Now what we need to do? This 2's complement should be, second number should be added with first number, right. We will see what is the addition process. So this is the first number 15, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then 2's complement of the second number 28 is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now we need to add these two values, right. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, the carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1. This carry is written as it is, this one is written as it is, right. So the carry is not generated here. So 1 here this 1 is not available. So already here 1 is there, that is the 1. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. We got the value as 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So the carry is not generated. So what is the meaning for that? Carry is not generated means the answer is negative and also in the complemented form. Answer is the complemented form. No carry, thus the result is negative and is in the 2's complemented form, right. So what is the value we got? 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we need to again take 2's complement. First we will take 1's complement. 1's complement means this 1 is converted into 0, 0 converted into 1, 1 is converted into 0. 2's complement means add 1, right. So 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So what we got? 1, 1, 0, 1, right. So this is nothing but the answer 13. The same answer only we got in the previous example also. But what is the difference? Here the carry is not generated, so the answer is negative, right. So the final value is 0, 0, 1101, that is nothing but the equivalent of decimal equivalent of 13, right. So we discussed two problems. 28 minus 15, we got the answer as plus 13, carry is generated. 15 minus 28, while performing 15 minus 28, we got the same answer 13, but the carry is not generated, so answer is negative, and also in complemented form again we converted into original form, right. So in this video we perform the 2's complement subtraction with two examples. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.